Happy summertime. It's almost that time. I am still gonna make me a savory dinner though. This is like comfort food, short ribs. I'm gonna be making some short ribs today, but Moroccan style. And I've already started with my celery. Diced it up really small. I've got some Mexican green onion here for garnish, and I may even allow these to cook in there. What a short rib is, they look like this. They're usually square. They have a bone inside. Okay, and I'm going to show you what these look like after I season them up. So we've got some seasoning salt. And I'm just going to eyeball it. Ground thyme. Cinnamon. Cayenne pepper for some spice. Brown allspice. Cumin. Paprika. What's this? Coriander. That last seasoning was coriander. I added a dash of that. And some black pepper. Okay, now I'm going to drizzle this in a little bit of canola oil. You can use olive oil, canola oil, either or. I don't know about coconut oil, but you know, you get the gist. This right here is going to allow my spices to stick to my meat. So I'm just going to mix this up a little bit. And once this is all mixed up, I'm going to add my garlic paste. It smells good already. It smells like my meat is done. That's what it smells like. That's how you know you've seasoned your food right. When the meat smells done. Okay, here's that garlic paste. We're trying to keep it easy today because even though I don't have baseball, I want to limit the time that it takes for me to do this. Oh, and my time was counting down, so we're gonna add some ginger. Okay, we cannot forget to add the ginger to your short ribs. This is so fun. It's been so long since I've seen you guys, or since you've. So before I get my short ribs on the stove, don't they look delicious? And they smell so good because I've squeezed half of a lemon in here. You know, that acid is going to help to break up some of the earth and all of the spices that I'm using right now. Let me give you a close-up on how delicious these look and how aromatic they smell. Oh my gosh. I'm going to take these over and sear them, but I'm going to let them sit for just a bit, come to room temperature. And while that's happening, I'm going to chop up my carrots and my Mayan onion. Not a brown onion, a Mayan onion. Let me show you what it looks like. They're a little lighter in color, more robust, round, sweet, delicious. So you know this would not be right without vegetables. So we have our Mayan onion and my Instacart girl today. She did the damn thing and brought me some beautiful carrots. I have about 5 of those. And then I have some Baby Dutch yellow potatoes. I'm not cutting these. I'm just going to add these in the crock pot whole and let the crock pot do its thing. And then I have some cento beans. Well, they're bicento, but the kidney beans, white kidney beans, also cannelli. They didn't have any butter beans. Such a shame. But that is what I would have preferred, you know, in my Moroccan short ribs. And then we have tomato paste, some beef broth, and some burgundy wine and flour. Let's get to it. Allow these to soften. Okay, while we've got our onions softening, I'm gonna start peeling my carrots. I'm gonna chop these up nice. I've taken my meat out already. It's in the crock pot on high heat. I'm gonna allow it to cook for about 6 hours. 6 hours, yes. But I will not be adding my vegetables right away. You don't want to put those in right away. The vegetables, I would say put in about halfway. I have onion, celery, garlic over there. Just gonna make me a gravy with some red wine in it. And add my beans and let the crock pot do the rest. I am so excited about the summer coming. Okay, I just dusted that with a little bit of flour, and I'm gonna mix this up until it thickens. Here you'll see as I mix in the flour, look at all that beef flavor. The flour is gonna allow this to thicken up. And then I'll just add my liquid to this, which is going to be my beef broth. There's some beef broth. I'm going to do about half of that, and you'll notice the gravy start to thicken, and then I'm going to go ahead and add some red wine to this. Look at that. It's already starting to do its thing. And this is what you want to see it separate here. Now I'm going to add some of my red wine to this, the burgundy wine. And we just want it to be like at a consistency where it's silky smooth, not lumpy like this. We want it to be silky smooth. I've added a tablespoon of tomato paste, and we just want to blend that in really good. See how silky our gravy is becoming. I should have my whisk, but I don't right now. This is exactly what I'm looking for. You can just find these anywhere and mush them down. Start blending with the sauce. Just use some hot sauce, some of my hot sauce that I made. I made my jerk chicken tacos. This is my habanero sauce.